This may sound very basic, but we never really talk about why it's important to keep a trowel at a 45-degree angle when spreading floor covering adhesives. The answer is simple geometry. If you lower the angle of the trowel, you essentially reduce the size of the notch opening, and this reduces the amount of adhesive that's allowed through. While this may help to extend your coverage rates, MAPEI designs adhesives to work properly when you hold the trowel at 45 degrees. Too little glue on the floor is good for your pocketbook that day, but when the floor fails because of the lack of adhesive, those savings are not enough to pay for the floor replacement. On the other hand, if you hold the trowel straight up at 90 degrees, you will apply too much adhesive, and that will extend drying times and waste money. Plus, having too much adhesive can cause trowel ridges to show through or even displace adhesive under heavy rolling loads. It is also important to take care of your trowels and keep an eye on their notches. A single trowel will apply the right amount of adhesive for about 1,500 square feet of substrate before it wears out. Never use a worn out trowel and do not try to re-notch it. Instead, use a new one. For help selecting the right products for your project, please call our product support department or visit our website.